Sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Homage to him, the Blessed One, the Accomplished One, the Supremely Enlightened One. The power of the triple gem, fear, trepidations, and here raising terror will never arise in them who reflects thus on the excellence of the Enlightened One, his teachings, and his holy order of noble disciples. Appearing lights with this brightly burning intensive light dispelling darkness, do I worship the supremely enlightened one, the light of the three worlds, who dispels inner darkness. Appearing incense with this fragrance incense compounded of aromatic substance, do I worship him who is the worthiest objects of reverence and the holiest being to worship. Appearance of flowers with this heap of beautiful fragrant and choice flowers, do I worship the sacred lotus feet of the Lord of Sex. With this brightest of flower do I worship the enlightened one. Through these acts of merit, may emancipation be mine, just as this flower wither away, even so this body ends in destructions. Appearings of perfumes with this scented perfume do I devoutly worship the truth barrier, redolence with the fragrance of infinite virtues emanating from his face and form. Appearings of food as a tokens of devotions. This food is dedicated as an offering to the Lord for compassion sake. Then accept it, O exalted one, worshipping all Buddhas, the blessed Lord, the perfect one, the supremely enlightened one, seems seated even as he who, after having arisen from the summit, ascet- uh, as, as, as aesthetics estate called the cessations, abortions, to him do I worship with these flowers. Indeed, this form of flower worship was the habitual practice of devotion for all the supremely enlightened ones, the hermit enlightened ones, the seed, disciples, the great disciples, and the perfected saint disciples. So I too follow in their footsteps. Lo, these flowers, which are now full of color, fragrance, and beauty, will soon become discolored, mele- melodor, melodor, melodorous and ugly. Even so, all conditioned things are changeful and subjects to suffering, and all conditioned and unconditioned things are unsubstantial. All my Dhamma friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please, my all well wishers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. All my Dhamma friends, protective discourses, discourse on great blessings, occasions. For, for 12 long years, but gods and men had pondered but failed to determine what true blessings were. The Buddha, Supreme Lord of Gods, then enunciated 38 kinds of blessings that destroy all evils to promote the well-being of all in the world. I now recite this blessing. Once the Blessed One was staying at Anathapindika's monastery in Zeta Grove near Sabbati. Now, as the night advanced far, a certain deity with surpassing brilliance, illuminating the entire Zeta Grove, came into the presence of the Blessed One. Drawing close, he paid his respects to the Lord and stood at one side. Standing thus, the deity addressed the Blessed Ones in verse. deity, one, many deities and mans in gas of well beings have pondered on blessings. Pray, reveal what are great blessings. Blessed one, avoiding wrong company, associating with the wish, and revering those to be revered. It is a great blessing. 3. Residing in a suitable locality, possessing merit of past deeds, and setting oneself on the right path. It is a great blessing. Being 4. Being learned and skillful in craft, disciplines in morals, and well cultivated. Being gifted with word of wisdom. It is a great blessing. 5. Looking after mother and father, supporting wife and children, and pursuing a blameless career. It is a great blessing. 6. Being generous and virtuous in conduct, being helpful to relatives, and irrepressible, irrepressible in actions. It is a great blessing. 7. Abhorring and refraining from evils, abstaining from intoxicating drinks, and being heedful in spiritual practice. And it is a great blessing. 8. Being reverential and modest, being contented and grateful, and listening to Dhamma Discourse. It is a great blessing. 9. Being patient and open to corrections, respectfully attending on bhikkhus, and timely Dhamma discussion. It is a great blessing. 10. Practicing austerity, leading holy lives, gaining the vision of noble truths, and realizing nirvana, ultimate peace. It is a great blessing. 11. Pressured by all worldly dichotomies, one's mind does not tremble, being sorrowless, pain-free, and secure. It is a great blessing. 12. Having acts in this way, they are invisible everywhere and remains ever secure to them. This are the great blessings. Sabbe Satta Sukhita Hontu. Thank you, all my Dhamma friends. How are you all, my friends? Discourse on benefits of universal love occasions. After listening to the Lord discourse, all is a plan. The bhikkhus were says with a spiritual sense of urgency, the protective chanting which the exalted sects enunciated to make the bhikkhus happy. Do we now chant for the well-being of the world? Thus have I heard. Once the Blessed One was staying at Anathapindika monastery in Zeta Grove near Savatthi. There, the Blessed Ones addressed the bhikkhus, saying, "Bhikkhus, most venerable sir," the bhikkhus replied to the Blessed Ones. Then the Blessed Ones said this: "Bhikkhus, universal love, which brings about the freedom of minds, when ardently practiced, developed, made a habit of mastery, made the basic philosophy of one's life uh, mm, firmly established within, fully familiaris, familiaris and unrelentingly applied, then this 11 benefits should be expected. What 11s? One sleeps happily, wakes up happily, does not suffer bad dreams. Bad dreams is dear to human beings, is dear to non-human beings. The gods protect him. No fire or poisons or weapons injuries him. His mind gets quickly concentrated. His pieces are bright. He dies unperturbed, and if he fail to attain to superabundance inside stage, he is certain to reach the state of the highly divi, divi, divinity of the Brahma realms, Loka. Because universal love, which brings about the freedoms of minds, when ardently practiced, developed, made a habit of master, made the basic philosophy of one's life, firmly established within, fully familiarized, and unrelentingly applied, then this 11th blessing should be expected as the Blessed One spoke in spirit. Those bhikkhus greatly rejoice at the Lord's exposition. Mm, Thank you, all my friends. Triumphs and blessings. One, the great compassionate deliverer for the welfare of all, fulfilling the perfections on the summit state of supreme enlightenment. By these assertions of truth, may I triumph and be blessed. Two, victorious under the tree of wisdom, he raised to it very height the exaltations of the Sakyan people, even so be my own victory. May I ever triumph and be blessed. 3. Worshipping the precious Buddha gem is a panacea, excelling everything and being vitalized by the Buddha grace, ever salutary to gods and men. By this acts may all my distress and suffering cease. For worshipping the precious Dhamma gem in a panacea, excelling everything and being vitalized by the Dhamma powers, ever shooting the burnings within. By these acts may all my distress and fear cease. 5. Worshipping the precious Sangha gems in panacea, excelling everything in beings vitalized by the virtue of Sangha, ever worthy of offerings and hospitality. By these acts may all my distress and ailments cease. Six, whatever precious gem exists in the world in many forms, there is nothing so precious as the gems of the enlightened one. By these assertions of truth, may well-being abound in me. 7. Whatever precious gem exists in the world in many forms, there is nothing so precious as the gems of the noble teachings By these assertions of truth, may well-beings abound in me. 8. Whatever precious gem exists in the world in many forms, there is nothing so precious as the gems of the holy order. By these assertions of truth, may well-being abound in me. 9. There is no other refuge for me. The enlightened one is my supreme refuge. By these assertions of truth, may I triumph and be blessed. 10. There is no other refuge for me. The noble teaching is my supreme refuge. By these assertions of truth, may I triumph and be blessed. 11. There is no other refuge for me. The holy order is my supreme refuge. By these assertions of truth, may I triumph and be blessed. 12. May all misfortunes disappear. May all disease fade away. May no peril befall me, and may I live long happily. 13. May all blessings come to me. May all God protect me. By the grace of all the enlightened ones, may well-beings ever abound in me. 14. May all blessings come to me. May all gods protect me. By the glory of the noble teaching, may well-beings ever abound in me. 15. May all blessings come to me. May all gods protect me. By the glory of the holy order, may well-beings ever abound in me. 16. By the power of these protective santings, warding of the malefic influence of stars, devils, spirits, and planetary combinations, may all my troubles cease to exist. Sabbe, Satta, Sukhita, Hontu. Thank you, all my Dhamma friends, my well-wishers. Where was Prince Siddhartha born? Answer: in Lumbini. How many Dhamma Kandas are there in total numbers? Answer: 84,000 Dhamma Kandas. How many Dhamma Kandas in Sutta Pitaka? Answer 21,000 Dhamma Kandas. How many Dhamma Kandas in Vinaya Pitaka? Answer 21,000 Dhamma Kandas. How many Dhamma Kandas in Abhidhamma Pitaka? Answer 42,000 Dhamma Kandas. How many books are there in Sutta Pitaka and what are they? Answer, there are 5 books. They are Digga Nikaya, Majjhima Nikaya, Samyutta Nikaya, Anguttara Nikaya, Khuddaka Nikaya. How many suttas are there in Digga Nikaya? Answer, 34 suttas. How many suttas are there in Majjhima Nikaya? Answer, there are 152 suttas. How many suttas are there in Sangyutta Nikaya? Answer, there are 7,762 suttas. How many suttas are there in Anguttara Nikaya? Answer, there are 9,557 suttas. How many books are there in Khuddaka Nikaya? Answer, there are 18 books. What is the meaning of sutta? Answer, discourse. What was the first discourse of the Buddha? Answer, Dhammasaka Pavattana Sutta. Where did the Bodhisattva attain enlightenment body? Answer, in Uruvela, present day, Buddha Gaya. Who was Prince Siddhartha wife? Answer, Yasodhara. What was the names of Prince Siddhartha's sons? Answer, Rahula. Who was the Buddha's chief female lay disciple? Answer, Visakha. Who was the Buddha's personal attendant? Answer, Venerable Ananda. Who tried to prevent the Bodhisattva enlightenment? Answer, Mara, evil ones. Who were Prince Siddhartha's parents? Answer, King Suddadana and Queen Mahamaya. What are the 3 characteristics of existence? Answer, anicca, impermanence, dukkha, suffering, anatta, non-self. What are the four divines abiding Brahma Viharas? Answer: Metta, loving kindness; Karuna, compassion; Mudita, sympathetic joy; and Upekka, equanimity. What were the four signs which caused Prince Siddhartha to leave the home life and to seek the ends of suffering? A sick man, an old man, a dead man, and an ascetic. What are the four requisites of a monk? Answer: Pindupata, alms, food, Sivara, robes, Senasana, shelter, and Gilana, Pachaya, medicine. What are the three events which Buddhists celebrate on Vesak full moon day? The Buddha birthday, the Buddha enlightenment day, and the Buddha Mahaparinirvana, final passing away. What are the four noble truths? Dukkha Satcha, truth of suffering; Samudaya Satcha, truth of origins of suffering; Nirodha Satcha, truth of extinctions of sufferings; and Magga Satcha, truth of path leading to the extinctions of suffering. What were the names of the six other teachers at the time of Buddha? 1. Ajita Kesa Kambala. 2. Makali Gosala. 3. Niganta Nataputa. 4. Puruna Kachapa. 5. Sanjaya Beleti Putta. 6. Pakuda Kachayana. What is the elemental quality which must be developed for spiritual progress? Answer: Sati, mindfulness. How old was Prince Siddhartha when he left home? Answer: 29 years old. How old was Prince Siddhartha when he attained enlightenment? Answer: 35 years old. From whom did the Bodhisattva accept a meal just before enlightenment? Answer: Sujata. What is the names of elephants that charge toward the Buddha? Answer: Nalagiri. Among the disciples of the Buddha, which bhikkhu monk was foremost in eagerness of training? Answer: Venerable Rahula. Amongst the disciples of the Buddha, which bhikkhuni nuns was foremost in teaching the Dhamma? Answer, Venerable Dhammadina. Among the disciples of the Buddha, which layman was foremost in teaching the Dhamma? Answer, Upasaka Sita. Amongst the disciples of the Buddha, which bhikkhu was foremost in possessing the divine eye, Dibbasaku? Answer, Venerable Anuruddha. Amongst the disciples of the Buddha, which bhikkhuni was foremost in physics power? Answer, Venerable Utpalavarna. Amongst the disciples of the Buddha, which bhikkhu was foremost in physical powers? Answer, Bhikkhu Mahamaglayana. Who were the first lay flowers to take refuge in the Buddha? Answer, Tabachu and Ballika. What did the Buddha say about caring for the sick? Answer, whoever bhikkhus who tend to the sick who tend to me. What did the Buddha declare to be the greatest disease? Answer, hunger. What was Anathapindika real name? Answer, Sudatta. Who was Megara? Answer, Megara was Visakha father-in-law. Who was the woman who lost her husband, her two sons, her parents, and her brother all in one day, and was consoled by the Buddha, became a bhikkhuni, and later attained arahatship? Answer, Ben Patasara. Who was the last convert made by the Buddha? Answer, Ben Subhadda. Who appeared the last male to the Buddha? Answer, Chunda. Who was the sixth bhikkhu to be ordained by the Buddha? Answer, Venerable Yasa. Who were the four people who were swallowed by the earth and fell into hell? Answer, 1. Devadatta. 2. Chincha Manabika. 3. Supabuddha. And 4. Nanda. What were the names of the five ascetics who heard the Buddha first sermons? Answer, once, Kondanyo, 2, Bappa, 3, Badya, 4, Mohanama, and 5, Achaji. What are the 8 worldly conditions? Loka Dhamma. Answer: Lava, gain; alava, loss; yasa, having flowers, having followers; ayasa, having no followers; ninda, blame; prasansa, praise; chuka, happiness; dukkha, suffering. What are the 10 ways of making merit? Dasa punyakriya, vatu, vastu. Answer: dana, giving or generosity; sila, morality or virtues; bhavana, meditation; apasayana, reverence; beya vasa, service; patidana, rejoicings in other merits; Patanumadana, transference of merits; Dhamma Savana, listening to the Dhamma; Ditti Ujukata, purifications of views. What are the 8 ways of giving? Answer: giving clean things; giving what is best; giving at the proper times; giving what is proper; giving carefully; giving respectfully; becoming happy at giving; rejoicing after giving. What are the 3 divisions of the Noble Eightfold Path? Answer: sila, morality; samadhi, meditative concentration; and panya, wisdom. What are the 12 links in dependent originations? Paticca Samuppada; abijja. Answer: abijja, ignorance; sankara, volitions, formations; vyayana, consciousness; nama rupa, minds and body; salayatana, the 6 sense bases; pacha, context; vedana, feeling; tanha, craving; upadana, clinging; bhava, becoming; jati, birth; jara marana, again and death. Who was the son of Emperor Ashoka? Answer: Venerable Mahinda. Who was the first bhikkhuni? Answer: Mahapajapati Gotami. What are the 8 great victories of the Buddha? Answer: 1. Mara; 2. Alabaka; 3. Nalagiri; 4. Ongulimala; 5. Chincha Manabika; 6. Chachaka. 7. Nandopananda. 8. Baka Brahma. What are the 7 factors of enlightenment? Satta, Sambojanga. Answer: Sati, mindfulness. Dhamma Visaya, investigations of Dhamma or truth. Virya, energy. Piti, rapture. Prasaddi, tranquility. Samadhi, meditative concentrations. And upeka, equanimity. What are the 8 stages of the Noble Eightfold Path? Answer: Samadhi, right understanding. 2. Samma Sankappa, right thought. 3. Samma Vasa, right speech. Chamma Kammanta, right actions. Chamma Ajiva, right livelihood. Chamma Vayama, right effort. Samma Sati, right mindfulness. Samma Samadhi, right meditative concentration. What are the 5 conditions necessary to complete the acts of killing a living beings? Answer: there must be a living being's presence, the knowledge that it is a live should be there, the intention to kill must be there, the act to kill is performed, and that is caused by that act. What are the 10 perfection parami? Answer: dana, generosity. Sila, virtue. Nekkama, renunciations. Panya, wisdom. Virya, effort. Kanti, patience. Chacha, truthfulness. Aditana, determination. Metta, universal love. Upeka, equanimity. In which Deva world King Bimbisara was reborn? When he died? Answer: Satu Maharajika Deva world. What are the 10 speculative views about which the Buddha refused to comment because they are unrelated to the goals and not fundamental to the holy life? Answer: the world is eternal. The world is not eternal. The world is finite. The world is infinite. The soul and the body are the same. The soul and the body are not same. The Tathagata exists after death. The Tathagata does not exist after death. The Tathagata but exists and does not exist after death. The Tathagata neither exists for does not uh, exist after death. What is the path the Buddha advised to follow? Answer: Majjhima Patipada, middle path. Hmm. The Buddha discussed three kinds of suffering. The first is sufferings of pain, dukkha, dukkhata, painful mental and physical experience. What are the other two? And sufferings of formation, which is caused by the inherent imper- imperfections of all conditioning phenomena, sankhara, dukkhata, sufferings of sense, which is caused by the impermanence of all conditioned phenomena, viparinama, dukkhata. Now, what are the five subjects for frequent recollections? Answer: I am subject to against and cannot escape it. Hmm, I am subject to disease and cannot escape it. I am subject to death and cannot escape it. I will be separated from all that is dear to me. I am owner of my deeds, whether good for or bad. Hmm. Hello, all my Dhamma friends. Hmm. What are five aggregates? Uh, pancha, Panchakanda, Panchakanda, physical from Rupa, Kanda, uh, feeling, Vedana, Kanda, perception, Sana, Kanda, mental formation, Sankara, Kanda, consciousness, Vyayana, Kanda. What are the sequence of robes allowed by the Buddha? Uh, answer: Koma, a robe made of linens. Uh, Kapasika, a robe made of cotton. Uh, Koseya, a robe made of silk. Uh, Kambala, a robe made of wool. Chana, a robe made of hemp. Banga, Banga, a mixture of this. Uh, how many teeth did the Buddha have? Answer: 40 teeth. uh, who ministered to the Buddha when he was in Parelyaka forest, answer elephants and monkey. Who was chief supporter in second great council, answer King Kalasoka. How many arahats were there in fourth great council? Answer. There were 500 arahats. Who was chief supporter of third great council? Answer King Dhamma Soka. How many Patisambhida Nana Yana Arahat were there in the third great council? Answer. There were 1000 Patisambhida Yana Nana Arahats. Who was the first Buddhist monk who entered the Korea? Answer. Chundo. Name parts to monasteries of Sri Lanka. Answer. Mahavira and Avayagiri. Which two universities did Chinese pilgrims Xuan visit? Nalanda, Huansang Tichang visit? Answer. Nalanda and Vallabi universities. Which was first country to embrace Buddhism? Answer. Sri Lanka. Who was chief supporter of fourth great council? Answer. King Battagamini Abhaya. What is the darkest night? Answer. Ignorance is the darkest night. The Buddha is often shown seated and with his right hand extending down. What does this hand gesture mudra signify? Answer. Bumisparsa, touching the earth. What are the 5 kinds of wrong livelihood for lay people? Answer. Trade in weapons, trade in living beings, trade in place, trade in intoxicants, trade in poison. What are the 8 types of great hell, Niraya? Answer. 1. Sanjiva. 2. Kalasutta. 3. Sangata. 4. Roruba. 5. Maharoruba. 6. Tapana. 7. Mahatapana. 8. Abisi. What are the 3 Lokuttara Dhamma? Answer: Magga 1. Magga, path, path. 2. Phala, fruit. Phala, fruit. 3. Nirvana, freedom. Name the 3 lokas world. Answer: Sankara Loka, conditioned world. Satta Loka, animals world. Okasa Loka, inanimate world. What will be the names of Sumana the garland maker when he will become a Paseka Buddha? Answer: Municharu. Who was the daughter of Emperor Asoka who became a Buddhist nun? Answer: Sangamitra. Among the disciples of the Buddha, which bhikkhu was greatest in austere prestige? Detangadara. Answer: Venerable Mahakaccapa. Among the disciples of the Buddha, which bhikkhu was greatest in forest dwelling? Answer: Venerable Ravata. Among the disciples of the Buddha, which bhikkhu was greatest to receive the 4 requisites? Answer: Venerable Sibuli. What was the names of the woman who was born under the tamarind tree? Answer: Cinca Manabika. What is the names of King Bimbisara when he was reborn as a Deva in heavenly world? Answer: Janabasava Deva. What is the sharpest sword? Answer: a word spoken in right is the sharpest sword. What is the names of Sangamitra mother? Answer: Vidisa Devi. What is the best weapon? Answer: wisdom is the best weapon. Once the Buddha appeared in the middle of the Rohini river to prevent a war between the Sakyans and the Kalyans. What was the reason for their quarrel? Answer: water for irrigations. How many benefits can get by practicing loving kindness? Answer 11 benefits. How many qualities does Sangha have? Answer 9 qualities. What are the 3 road defilements? Answer 1. Lava, greed. 2. Dosa, hatred. 3. Mona, delusion. Delusions. What are the 5 divine messenger? Answer in infants and old persons, sick persons, and dead persons, and criminal subjected to punishments. What were the Buddha final word? Answer Appamadena Sampadeta. Strip on with diligence. Who called the Sangha together for the first Buddhist council? Answer Venerable Mahakaccapa. What are the 5 great sacrifices for a bodhisattva? Answer 1. Wife. 2. Children. 3. Kingdom. 4. Life. 5. Part of the body. How many qualities does the Buddha possess? Answer 9 qualities. What are the 4 measurable realms? Answer 1. Trisarana, animal realms. Theta, realms of hungry ghosts. Achura, realms of demons. 4. Niraya, hell. Sabbe, Satta, Sukhita, Hontu. Babatu, Sabba Mangalang. Sabba Danang, Dhamma Danang, Jinati. Sabba Rasang, Dhamma Rasang, Jinati. Thank you, all my Dhamma friends. Thank you. Eutris Lokogumit, Dekun Praniagon, Vek Pranigun Sugiodok, Vek Pranigun, Vek Duotu, Nokto One, Nirvan, Lab Goriver, Hetu Utonaok. Dharma, Danor, Punyor, Pole, Bekun, Nur, Suk Santi, Labuk, Budur, Gene Geni Oi, Dharmor Gene Geni Oi, Sangor Gene Geni One, Ek Pranigone, Sugiodok, Budur Sason, Chirojibi Ok, Sodharmo Sason Tegitok, Joy Bim, thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. All my devotees, well wishers, my Dhamma friends. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.